In the name of Allah, the most compassionate, the most merciful. Most of us are found complaining. Complaining about what? Complaining that I am not being given the due respect in the society. I am not being respected in the society. This is something very common, a common complaint. Most of us are of the view, most of us are of the view, since that I am not wealthy enough, since I am not influential enough, so that is the reason that I am not getting the kind of respect I deserve. The kind of respect which I deserve. As a matter of fact, there is a plenty of truth in it, but there will be certain reasons in the habits and attitudes of the person who is found complaining this thing, and they are not much willing to improve, to eradicate those errors and mistakes, the nuisance in their attitudes. But this is not the only reason, because there are people who are liked and respected despite the fact that they have certain, rather several flaws in their personalities, in their habits, in their actions, attitudes. They are respected because they are wealthy and they are influential, so the people respect them. If they are respected with such a big faults and errors and mistakes, why I am not, despite the fact that I do a very small as compared to those people? So this is a kind of complaint. I am of the view that there is plenty of truth in it. But we need to do certain things. We need to do certain things so that we could get a kind of better treatment from the society. First of all, we need to pinpoint where I need the improvement. I need to improve myself. As there is always room for improvement. So, how come I can call myself a person who does not need any improvement? Not only that I need the improvements, rather, I need it very desperately. I need it very desperately. But we are unable to feel and to notice our own flaws. We are inclined to ignore, but we are not inclined to ignore the faults and the mistakes and the errors of the others. We are not willing to ignore if the people don't respect us and treat us the way we want to be treated. What to do in this in a case like this one? This is a case with many of the people, not just few. So for that reason, it is important to write or to speak upon the subject. It cannot be somehow pushed under the carpet. I think we need to improve on the one hand, improve ourselves. On the other hand, frowning and fretting about why the people are not respecting me actually mean that there is a space, there is a vacuum in our life which needs to be filled. Once we do start filling this vacuum, we will be taken in a far better manner, and our complaint might vanish up to an extent, will vanish up to an extent. Though, since there are always many of the people ahead of us, no matter how much development we do make, hence, it the complaint will always remain there that I'm not as respected as certain other people. So the complaint will remain there. But somehow we will keep improving in every sense, even in the way people treat us, people manage us, people handle us, people take us. What to do? Start something new. I said there is a vacuum. I said there is a space. Space means that you do have the time. You do have the time. That is why you are frowning and fretting over the treatment meted out to you. You should not have the time. Should not have the time to think about this like things. Start a project. A project which will directly and indirectly benefit you, which will directly and indirectly benefit the society. Start a project. This project, and be sincere, be very committed, and be very wise about it as well. Sincerity and commitment on the one hand, intelligence and wisdom on the other hand. Be very informed about that particular project. Take your project forward, and you will keep moving forward along with your project as well. Start a project, carry it on. Your project will take you along. Your project will take you along. And this is how we can improve our life and improve it a lot. We want our society to respect us, to treat us well, because we deserve a better treatment, because we deserve to be respected. People will start respecting us, people will start treating us better, but we will not be having the time available for this. We will be having little time left for the people, and once our availability is reduced, once our availability is reduced, we are not as easily accessible as we used to be, because we have become busy, and because we are not looking for the people to chat with, to have a gupshup with. We are too busy in our project. We are not in need of the social activities. Rather, the social activities will be in need of people like us, We will be invited there and respected there because we are taking along a project which is commendable, which is appreciable, which is liked by the people, or at least which is envied by the people, which is envied by the people. Start a project, and the complaint that the people do not like me, they don't respect me, they don't treat me in a better way, the way I should be treated, this sort of complaint will be evaporated in the air, will be gone forever, and we will not be dependent much upon the people to give us their time, to take us along, to invite us in their events, and so on. Thank you. Jazakallah.